Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making copies of your geotagged photos so nothing is lost. That protects original timestamps and GPS. Once done, scan a sample photo's EXIF to see camera time zone, UTC offset, and GPS lock quality. Next, open the photo editor or batch EXIF tool you picked. Make sure it lists date, time, original, and GPS latitude/GPS longitude. This quick verification prevents mistakes later and sets you up to adjust timestamps accurately rather than guessing. You'll now change the timestamp correctly by editing date time original. That's the field most apps and map tools read. If the camera used a wrong time zone, enter the proper UTC offset or apply a bulk shift of +/- hours to match local time. For batch work, test on 3-5 images. Preview both the adjusted time and the geolocation on a map view, because timestamps and GPS together determine sequencing and map placement. Make sure the software writes changes to EXIF, not just a sidecar. You finish by saving edits and verifying a handful of photos in your mapping or gallery app to confirm they appear at the right time and place. Once done, clear app caches or rebuild thumbnails so old metadata isn't shown. If things went wrong, reopen the EXIF editor and reapply the correct time zone conversion or a different bulk shift. That solves most ordering or map placement errors. If GPS still looks off, confirm device lat/long precision or re-export from your GPS log.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.